Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony RM-IP10 IP remote controller and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now, you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this controller is not connecting, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it seems to be not responding or not working in any way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, you will need to repair it and set it up again, which is the second reason you might want to do that. If you are trying to set this remote up on a new system and just want to start fresh like it just came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. So all we need to do is, from this being turned off, we're going to find the reset button and also the select button. And we're going to press and hold them at the same time as we go ahead and turn the unit on. And it'll go through a whole series of lights up and everything like that. And when the group and the camera buttons are both green, lights are both green, we can go ahead and let go of all the buttons, and then we can turn it off using the power button. And then when we turn it back on, it will turn back on in its factory default settings.